Hey guys, my name is Blessed. Welcome to Blending Creative. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful material from scratch to finish. So if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. It is absolutely free, and I teach how to sew on my channel. So please subscribe. Um, if you are a beginner and you find it hard to source for fabric, or you find it hard to because there's no fun to buy material, please just stay to the end of the video because I'm going to teach you how to make your own material. Please give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll know how you feel about this video, and also you can also show me your works. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number. Please do not call, drop the pics of your works on my WhatsApp number I'm dropping on the screen. So just go ahead and take all those pieces of fabric that you don't make use of, or your tutor have thrown in the trash can that he want to burn. Just pack them together. They can be regular shape. Just pack them as small as they are. Pack them together. So pick the smallest one out of those pieces, different pieces that you pick together, and cut out the size that you want. It could be 4 by 4, 4 inches by 4, 5 inches by 4. It could be in rectangular, it could be square, whatever. Just make it to whatever size that you want. And this is my size, 5 by 6 inches. So you can make yours 4 by 5, it can be 4 4. So the smaller it is, the finer it is. And also you can even make your own bigger. So it depends on you. So I have cut out my own. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that one to duplicate as many as I want. So I have to fold that fabric into two because I need 2 pieces out of it. Then I found out that I'm going to waste the fabric. I'm going to waste the whole piece there. So that's why I have to refold it, so as for me to get much piece from this particular design. So I'll just go ahead and cut out the square shape out of this. Please, I would love to see your comments in the comment section. Please, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up by liking the video, and help my YouTube channel to grow by clicking on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. For my old subscriber, thank you. You have been the one, aside God, you have been the one making my channel to grow. So you just use this to duplicate as many as you want. Use it to duplicate as many as you want throughout all those different pieces of fabric in your collection. You can see just this piece, I got 3 different pieces out of it. So I'm going to bring another one and also cut that way. So that's how you're going to do it till you exhaust all your pieces. You can see that I've cut mine, and mine is ready for sewing. So yeah, I cut them two piece each, but there are some that are 3 piece. So it depends on how you want, how long you want your fabric, how you want your fabric to be. So you can see that I have made mine now. So we will just go ahead and join them. You can pick colors of almost the same, maybe a touch of red. You pick another one that have a touch of red. That's how you mix your piece. Sometimes you can say, okay, blue goes with milk. Okay, let me pick a piece that have milk and this one blue. So that's how you mix your fabric. So I'll just go to my sewing machine, right side facing right side, and I'll just sew and flip over. So then I'm going to pick another one that's red in that piece. So I'm going to pick this one that have red, and I'm go ahead and sew it on it, then flip it over. Then I'm going to pick another color, maybe the green, or maybe that peach inside. I'm going to pick, okay, perhaps I pick the green there. So I'm going to put the green, and I'm going to sew and flip it over. That's how I'm going to do till I get to my desired length. Maybe I want it to make 2 yards. So I'm going to do it till it get to 2 yards. When you get to 2 yards, I stop. Then I start all over again. 1, 2, join it till you get to 2 yards. Then I do it till maybe I have exhausted the fabric. So yours can be 2 yards by maybe 45 inches as your depth. It can be 3 yards as 45 inches as your depth. So whatever desired length that you want. So you just keep the roll like that. And so I will teach you how you will join it and make it 45 inches depth. So you just go ahead to your sewing machine and sew till you get to the 2 yard or 1.5 yard or 3 yards that you desire. And I hope you understand what I am saying. I just hope you understand. So I have joined it, and this was what I was telling you the other time. I've joined it, so you can go ahead and give it a good press. So you can see the second rule I was telling you about, that when you finish exhausting maybe the yardage that you want, maybe 3 yards, you go again, you start all over again and make another 3 yard, go again and start another 3 yard, another 3 yard, till you get to that 45 inches as your depth. So I'll just go ahead, right side facing right side, then I go to my sewing machine, sew it down, then flip it over. Then flip it over. I'm going to use this material to do tutorial on this channel, so please stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and ensure you give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to, assuming I have 3 or 4 rows, I'm going to sew to that end also and flip it over. Then number 3, I'm going to sew another one to it and flip it over. You can see I'm through sewing it. You can see it is really beautiful. So if I had number 3 row, I would have sewed it at the bottom of this and flip it over, then sew the 4th one. Please thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned to my channel for more tutorials. So I'll be using this to make a very beautiful dress in our next tutorial. So please click on the subscribe button, put on your notification bell, and do give this video a thumbs up. Till I see you again, take good care of yourself and stay away from trouble.